Yeah, so here see whatever command is there, right? Here bin bash automatically will come. Which cell you want to execute this one? It is under bin bash. So I want to see that Docker inspect the image ID. Okay. Here see it is created all this thing, and here see it is when you are creating, right, rest all CMD option, it is it is a deleted. What image contains what? Image contains only third one. Hi, I am CMD, CMD3, right? Here see CMD3. So understand this CMD importance and run importance. Otherwise, what happen when you are creating a, you are getting the requirement and you are not able to understand the difference, right? So always you will suffer while creating a Docker file. Okay, I'm going to start another mm, this one, another option, entry point. Okay, and important, very important. We be very carefully. Understand that this command very carefully. It is used to execute instructions while creating a container. Not images, containers. Okay, and understand that here I believe I am not defined, so you will not able to see that entry point. Yeah, no entry point. It is there, right? No entry point. And Docker images. I will check something else. Okay, Docker inspect and this one. Here we will try to see that entry point is there or not. Okay, entry point here it is null. Okay, I want to see that anywhere else it is there or not. Entry point, entry point not defined. Okay, I will see here. Docker, that is also null. Okay, it is not there. Okay, and leave it. Entry point, see here, entry point is there. If it is not there, so entry point should be the, they have defined that null. In my images, because I am not defining anything, so entry point is not there. But wherever means others images is a base images, they are defining null, and and what is the entry point we are going to learn. And be very patient, sir. It is used to execute instructions while creating containers. Okay, and what is that entry point? Entry point syntax, understand that echo and container created successfully. Okay, like suppose you want you have a jar or spring boot. So how to create an entry point? Entry point java hyphen jar and the target where you want to be store that, store your jar files. Okay, likewise you will able to create for the python some here you have to write the python how to execute the Python, what is the target of the target path of the Python, okay? In which format the Python Python what it calls the target path. And hold on for a while. Here here for the entry points, right? It depends upon that technology to technology, and here you have to define that it is a jar, right? It is a jar extension, Python py extension, .NET something else. So here what interviewer will ask that what is the difference between CMD and entry point. So the CMD instruction we can override while creating a container, and entry point instruction we can't override. So oh, this is the biggest we can say that difference between CMD and working dir. It is used to specify working directory for image and container. When you are creating, right, you are creating your images, and here what happened, what is the syntax, working dir, and what in which location you want to be there, means which location you want to be make your working directory. So you have to define that path, so it will make you as a working directory there, okay? And suppose what happens, suppose you have uh, download some software, and that software need to be given some specific working directory, right? So during that situation, this command is useful. Suppose you have downloaded something, right? Suppose you are any even though any operating system, when you are downloading something, right? So file will go some specific path, right? So but you have to be sure, you have to be, the requirement should be that you have to be execute that software into that location. Okay, so during that kind of requirement, you are using this one. So work dir and that path. You have to be when you will switch that right here. So now you are working on this location app plus USR. Okay, here environment. So anybody